Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy M33. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, inside scroll down and find the advanced features, enter motions and gestures, and here we can see them all. So first one is to lift to wake and turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. If you enable it and lock your screen, you can pick your phone in a grip like that and it should wake up like that. And now let's try placing it, maybe it will lock. It doesn't, probably next option will be about it. Double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So right here, if we again lock our screen and double tap on it, it should wake up, and double tap again to turn it off. Next one is keep screen on while viewing. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it, using the front camera to detect your face. So right now, if you pick up your phone and front camera right here detects your face, it shouldn't dim the screen. There'll be infinite timeout until you look on the camera. And the next one is alert when phone picked up. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. So if you enable it and you get a call and message and your phone was locked, you didn't notice it, and you pick it up, you should get the vibration. And the next one, turn over to mute. Mute incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down. If you enable it and place your phone like this, you shouldn't receive any calls or messages. Finger sensor gestures, open and close notification panel using fingerprint sensor, and it works basically like that. You can slide down or up through your fingerprint sensor to call out the notification bar, but here we need to enable it first. Let's try that now. It works fine. And that's all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.